Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to enable and disable Microsoft Edge Startup. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable Microsoft Edge Startup. So there's two ways to do this. The first way is here in the Microsoft Edge itself and Task Manager. So this is very useful if you don't want your PC to start up and you don't want your Microsoft to open up with the startup of your PC. And sometimes it may cause a lag if you start up with your Microsoft Edge. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to prevent those lags and errors. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Microsoft Edge and click on the three dots on the top right. After clicking on the three dots on the top right, click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, go down here below in System and Performance. Once you're here, as you can see at your system, you will say Startup Boost. So to remove the startup of this is by turning this off. Once it's turned off, when your PC starts again, Microsoft Edge won't start up with your PC startup. So another way to close this is by going here and type Task Manager. There we go, Task Manager. And once you're here at Task Manager, click on the startup. And once you're here at the startup, go down and find until you find Microsoft Edge. As you can see, Microsoft Edge is not here anymore because we turned it off. So if it's turned on, let me try to turn it on. Let's limit Task Manager. Oh, there we go. Microsoft Edge is now here. So to turn this off, just click on it and click on Disable. There you go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and a little bit of bonus tip. If you don't want to just scroll down, then click Enable, Disable, all of those stuff. Just right click on the Microsoft Edge itself in the taskbar and click on Disable right here. And you can also right click into Enable it. So I hope you guys liked the video and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.